I think the audio was not visible. Either the audio was not audible, right? So what I'll do is when I will be sharing, if anybody wants this particular PPT, I can share the PPT with you all so that you can go through the PPT and where you can see that how they in Hindi they have used art integrated project. So I think in the Zoom part there was some glitch in the audio section. So that is the reason the audio was, I could hear it, but I think you could not hear it. But anyways, I will be, if I share it in the group, I think it will be helpful for you to see. And it was based on Sikkim, the travel in Sikkim, and how the teacher has made, the children have made it. And I think the child is actually recording the whole thing, and how different segments of Sikkim has been put up. So this is the way, and I have also seen children making travelogue, right? So this is also a way in which the children they put up their thinking skills into the project into the frame of a project. So I found it very helpful for the children also, and of course for the teachers also, to make them understand. As I said in my last webinar, that when I was teaching in the class, there was a chapter which was based on acid bases. I'm a chemistry background, I'm from the chemistry background. And the children, they were asked to do the turmeric paper, and in the turmeric paper, they were making different arts. Not only that, they were having they were writing their name. That was just a part of it, but they were drawing different whatever those who are good in drawing, those who are good in making paper cutting, quill making, paper quill. So they were doing it with that, with the turmeric paper, which is a basic indicator. They made the turmeric paper, and then they made different formats with it. So what exactly back of our mind is to make them understand the concept in the form of art. So let us go to the next part of the presentation. Yes. Well, this is a segment where we have already seen in class 9 and 10, we have to give them the interdisciplinary project. Now, this is a very good, my content or today is a confluence of art integrated learning and interdisciplinary project, where I actually want to merge the concept of interdisciplinary. That is, the merging two, three, the concept of one single concept, putting in two, three forms. I mean, putting in two, three disciplines rather. So from one particular discipline, the project can be given up. So the child never, so suppose the English teacher cannot come and say that you do a project on so and so topic. History teacher coming and telling that project on so and so topic. So CBSE has given the provision to merge two, three subjects and give them a single project. And we are we are all are acquainted with the 9 and 10 social studies project, which CBSE has recently, not recently, in the few years or last few years, they are been giving it in the curriculum. And 10 periods are to be allotted for the project work. And if it is interdisciplinary, then it is very helpful for the children also. They can easily say that we have included English in that, we have included so history in that, we have included mathematics in that, we have included physics in that. So that can be helpful for the children also. And here is actually the curriculum where the marks, the rubrics, and also the evaluation process, we have all gone through it. Well, in class 9, we do have this IDP interdisciplinary project on natural vegetation, which is from the history chapter, Forest, Society and Colonialism. Now, I just want to show you the clipping of how the child has met. There is no sound over here, there is a music playing, and the child, how she has done this interdisciplinary project on natural vegetation, which is in 2024 IDP of class 9. So I'm going through this particular video. There is no sound, only the music is there. Is it visible? Is it visible?
No, it's not visible.
Okay. I think the previous one, but this is, I think this is visible now.
Yes,
The
this is visible now.
2024 class 9 IDP, which is
Yes.
being said. And this is the one which I wanted to tell you. The interdisciplinary project is based on natural vegetation. A class 9 student has done this in the IDP segment of natural vegetation. So we are going to see this. There is no background, only a background music is there. Otherwise, nothing is there in the playback.
हे पंप वाले हे फुगे वाले बल्ब बरोबर आहे हे नॉर्मल टायपो वाले आहे. कोणतं बरं वाटतं?
சீக்கிரம் வீட்டுக்கு வாங்க எங்க போகணும் சீக்கிரம் வரணும் பார்த்துட்டோம் குழந்தை சேவடி போற்றி
That was the only IDP which I have received from the child, which the child has actually taken the recording in the horizontal manner, which was a bit difficult for me also to see, but I tried a lot to make it vertical. It was not coming vertical. At anyways, we will be doing it. If I send you the PPT, you can easily see the PPT where it is very nicely been explained, and very nicely it has been. She has incorporated the segment of history, English, and geography. History, English, and geography has been incorporated together. So let's go to the next slide, where we are very much into the segment of interdisciplinary of class 10. Now here again, I have to show you the circular where it is being written that how IDP can be incorporated into the class 10 syllabus. And here it is also written over here that IDP in class 10 should be included. We all know this, but then also I'm just showing this part in the curriculum of class 10, 2024. It is written the making of global world, and where the history, geography, and economics chapters have to be taken. And this is the interdisciplinary project in class 10, which has to be uploaded in the Kala Setu portal, which has to be uploaded in the Kala Setu portal. The children have to do it. And again, there is a project where we will be seeing the project on globalization, where the children have done it. So I'm not putting it full screen. I'm just putting it over here.
Thank you very much.
सीबीएसई मैंने कितनी बार मैं ऐसी मीटिंग चालू कर
Okay, that was the IDP of class 10 based on teachers. This is going to end within 10 minutes, so you can rejoin in the same particular in the same ID, because as you know, Zoom is only for 40 minutes. So here is the project based on globalization. I will be quickly going to the segment of section where there is a merging of the AIL and the IDP, which actually is giving the holistic part of the, we all know the academic subjects we can put up together through this AIL and IDP. And what are the different segments which we can execute and plan? That also we can do it through this AIL, and the lesson plans also we can easily make it. The evaluation process also, you can go very easily. The evaluation process of interdisciplinary project outcomes, you can easily go through the evaluation process. And here we are with a particular part where you can see that you can easily guess. Anybody can guess what can it be, the topic on this by the pictures?
Environment.
Environment. Anybody? Yes, you can. You are very close to it.
Ma'am, global warming.
Absolutely, absolutely. It is global warming. Absolutely, Punita ma'am, it's global warming. So what we can do is we can tell the children with these captions, we can tell them to put the captions, we can aware the children, other classes also with these captions, and then we can make the project. And which are the subjects which can we can include in it? It is science. We can use this particular part definitely, and how the science can be helping them in putting them, that also there is a video which I will be showing. Social studies we can put up, mathematics we can analyze the data, English of course, and art, though there is no limit of it, there is no boundary, because children can make infinite ways of giving the project on global warming. So here we are with a particular video, but before that I just want to show you this particular part. I will be showing a part of this video. This is I'm just telling what they are saying. The atmosphere is actually being protecting us from the sun rays, the powerful sun rays. And also this was the condition when earlier the earth was actually giving up this type of gases, which are the greenhouse gases. And these greenhouse gases was also being, this particular principle was also being given for the greenhouse making. But gradually, due to the global warming, these greenhouse gases are making our atmosphere, the ozone layer is getting depleted, and the atmosphere is also getting totally spoiled. So children know it very well how to do this type of project. Our climate is exactly having the proper balance of CO2 and also for all sorts of temperature rise which are required. This is the carbon dioxide percentage. And here comes what are the reasons of global warming. The industrialization, deforestation, which are actually causing the depletion of this. More CO2 is there and the atmosphere is getting in trouble. We can also do this thing. We can pause the video somewhere. We can use this video. We can pause the video somewhere and can make them think about what can be the next stage if global warming continues. And this way we can go for the further part. As the time is very less, so I'm just going through the section. As I said, that this can help the children also to think and then produce their own whatever they are having in their mind. So with that, we are coming to the end of the session with a very small fun puzzle. There is a matchstick puzzle over here. I would like my cohorts to solve this puzzle very quickly. This is a small puzzle which I have actually been put up for you all based on, thinking skills, which you can also tell the children. I'll just put it up in this way. Your comment is obviously very much important. Here is a puzzle where you have to pull up 2 sticks and make 2 squares. Can anybody do this? Move 3 stick and get the inside of the coin. Teachers, time is running short. Can anybody do this? This type of thing actually will help the children to shift their mind from one particular part to another part. This can actually converge their attention to do something new. Do something, putting them in a particular mood.
സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റ് ഒന്നുമില്ല എടി റെക്കോർഡ്
Here is the answer. And this is the last puzzle where you have to move 1 stick and make the equation correct. This also comes into the AIL, the mathematics part. It's for the small children also, it is applicable with the matchsticks. Yeah, of course, you can bring the toothpicks. Instead of bringing the matchstick, you can ask them to bring the toothpicks and they can easily do it. And with that, we come to the end of today's session where we are very much into the segment of art integrated learning. And how can I conclude this session without using the term that we cannot limit our children in our own learning because they are born in a different time. So thank you so much. If you have any queries, you can easily ask me. It was a very fast session. In between, there was a glitch. You can easily ask me. Yes. Yes. Anybody wants to
Thank
say
you, ma'am.
something?
Very well explained.
Actually, the session was very compact, and I had to play the videos were not audible from at your end, but definitely I will be putting it up so that You can listen to that particular video.
नेट का भी
Ma'am, I
निको
have a query.
Yes, please, ma'am.
आपके
Uh,
खाऊंगा लगी
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am, when we take SEA, that is subject enrichment activity,
Yes, yes.
can we link this or can it be called
of
as
course.
art integrated?
No, ma'am. You can link this in the subject enrichment. Of course, this is a part.
Yeah.
Art integrated is a part of subject enrichment only. So we can link it up.
Yes,
Even
yes.
IDP is also a part of subject enrichment.
Yes, yes. Okay. Thank you,
Also,
ma'am.
we can do the concept mapping, which I did not show over here as the time
Yeah,
is too short.
yeah.
So concept mapping is also a part of art integrated learning.
Art integrated. Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
And they can put all of these in their portfolio because their portfolio is also having a mark, na? So we can all add it up to the portfolio.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, anybody wants to ask anything?
No, it was really a nice session, although very
Very
compact
compact. Yes, Vedika ma'am, very
and
compact
it
session.
was really fast. But
Ah.
it was game to know that all these activities they really enrich the child in diverting their mind from the regular working that we do, the basic rote method that we
Yes,
keep on telling them doing it. So it is like
absolutely.
their creativity is also being like
Nurtured.
enhanced in this case,
Yes.
and they're being nurtured in a different way altogether. Like
Yeah.
what do we say? Activity based learning, we can say. So
Absolutely.
it was a great session.
Yes. And ma'am, that matchstick one, I have seen that the children, when I have asked the junior section teachers to do it with the toothpick, they were very, very excited with it, very much excited. Because that is only for 3 and 4 we can do it, not for the class 9, 10. But yes, we can do different
Yes,
type of
the
puzzles
time
through.
the time you send that puzzles to us, even we were